Okay, welcome back for our next video, and we are going to roll our sleeves up and actually start editing. So we are here in our dashboard, and we are going to tackle posts first. So just a very quick overview. You're welcome to do a little more research yourself online if you need to, but honestly, here's the basics. Okay, WordPress filters their content in three ways. So posts, categories, and pages. And so we are going to work on posts in this video, but basically the difference is this: your pages are generally your static content. We're going to spend a little more time with those, and that's why we're going to tackle them later, because we want to lay those out in such a way that they can be stagnant, but they can really call to people, and we can make them a little more customized, right? So with our posts, this is going to be more frequent updates to our site. So think of a blog, think of news articles, updates, resources, things like that. These are posts. They're all time and date stamped, and they go into boxes that we call categories. So you can see some of the categories here on this test site: announcements, arborism, gardening, general maintenance, tips, etc., etc. And you can create more categories by clicking on the categories button and just creating more if you choose to. So, but what we want to do is start editing, and so let's start doing it. So you'll see we've got lots of posts here. I just created another test post, so we're just going to click on that, and we're going to open it up and go ahead and edit it. You can always click on edit, and you can edit your current posts, or you can also click on add new and create new ones, and hopefully you'll do that. Just on a side note, I do recommend that that you regularly use posts, and call it a blog or whatever, but regularly you should be making these updates to your site. And by regularly, I mean really once a week, if you can, at the latest, would be great. So it's going to really help you for search engine optimization and interacting and attracting new customers and clients and donors and whoever. So valuable stuff. Anyway, here we are in our editing system. So if you have used WordPress before, you may be familiar with some of this, and there may be some new stuff. So we'll just scroll through it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and write our title to our post. So, and just on a side note, anytime we change our title, we want to make sure and change this little permalink here, right here, that is automatically configured. So we'll just highlight it, delete it, click OK, and that permalink will go ahead and change to the title that it configured when I originally wrote the post. So for right now, we're going to ignore this Fusion stuff. We're going to keep this real simple, because posts should be really simple. So you can see we can write our content here, and we did a couple of things here. We got a little bold here. You'll see we highlighted that. Use this little WYSIWYG editor for bold. You can italicize things. You can use bullets, numbers, block quotes, whatever you want to do. It doesn't really matter, right? Just do whatever you like for your text. You can highlight stuff. You can insert hyperlinks like this. You'll see I inserted a hyperlink. So again, play around with that stuff. I will tell you, probably the most important thing is to just write simple, clear content. Don't make it decorative as much as possible. Just make it good. People tend to over-decorate things, and with changing font colors and sizes and everything else like that, and it becomes very distracting. It also becomes very inconsistent, because as you can imagine, you don't remember what you did a month ago, and so all your posts are different. So just a word to the wise: it's your site, you can do whatever you like, but that's how we do that. If you want to insert any sort of media, you'll see I inserted a picture there. We just click on Add Media, and we can either upload something from our computer, and by media I mean a PDF file, an image, a video, whatever, a file of some sort that you want to share, whatever it may be. So that's what you're going to do. You can see we've got some pictures here already in the media library. We can have some options as far as like our alignment, our sizes, things like that, and then we just click insert, and then that picture goes right in there. Now, do want to show you on all of these posts, the way these are set up is they have a featured image that is going to show at the top. It is also going to show in the section the category. So this is a news category and has our news post in it. So that featured image is going to show there as well. So my point in telling you that is if you're only going to have one image in your post, don't stick it in here. Use the featured image section right here. So what we're going to do in that featured image section is we just click on the words set featured image. It pops open that media library. We click on whatever picture we want to click on and then set featured image. It's going to crop it to the right size and set it up for us. And that is about all we do with posts. The other thing we're going to do, I did forget, is to check the category we want the post in. And so that's basically it, all set with our posts. We'll hit publish. When we hit publish or our update in the case of this one, because it's not a new one, we will now see that post appear on our site. And we have gone and updated our posts. So nice job. Our next video, we are going to be tackling pages. So